9-49, solve each inequality algebraically, then represent your solution on a number line. Okay, so the first problem we're doing, we need to solve this, so you subtract by 2x on both sides. And so then I get 3x minus 7 is greater than or equal to 5. I'm going to add 7, so I get 3x is greater than or equal to, what is that, 12, and then x is greater than or equal to 4. And so my solution would be 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be closed and to the right because x is greater, x is greater than 4. All right, next problem. Again, we're solving for x, so subtract 4x. So I get 2x minus 29 is greater than 12. And so then I add 29 to both sides and I get 2x. 29 plus 12 is 41, is greater than 41. So then x is greater than 41 divided by 2, which is 20.5. And so then when I graph my solution here, I usually just 0 and then open 20.5, and it's going to be this way. And then our last one is we have a quadratic, so I need to get everything to one side. X squared plus 4x minus 5 is less than or equal to 0. I can factor this. X plus 5 and x minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. And so I'm using my boundary points, so equal to 0. So x plus 5 is equal to 0, so x is equal to negative 5. And then x minus 1 equals 0, or x equals to 1. So then what I want to do is I want to test my solutions to find where it's less than or equal to 0. And so I have a value at 1, and I have a boundary point at 1, and then I have another one at negative 5. So now I plug in a value less than negative 5. So let's say negative 6. So negative 6 squared plus 4, 4 times negative 6 minus 5, is that less than or equal to 0? So then you get 36 minus 24 minus 5 is less than or equal to 0. So 36 minus 24 minus 5 is 7. Is 7 less than or equal to 0? No. Then I check in between, and I'm going to just use 0 since it's in between. 0 squared plus 4 times 0 minus 5, is that less than or equal to 0? These go to 0. Negative 5 is less than or equal to 0. So I know my solution is in here. And then just to test another value up here, greater than 1, we'll check 2. 2 squared plus 4 times 2 minus 5 is less than or equal to 0. So I get 4 plus 8 minus 5 is less than or equal to 0. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 7 is less than or equal to 0. And that's not true. So my solution is going to be x is less than or equal to 1 and greater than or equal to negative 5.